Hi guys, today we will explain about how to get gold notes on Instagram. The process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your Instagram application. Once it will be open, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. After it, tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right. And here, let's write a note by tapping on our profile. And before writing any notes, let me tell you one thing. There are few words which contain gold background. And once you will write those specific words, the background of the notes will turn into gold. Just for showing you, I will write champion. And if I tap on the option share, you can see the background of my notes turn into gold. There are few more words which contain gold background like gold, victory, medal and Olympics. Whenever you will include one of these words in your notes, the background of your note will turn into gold. Let's delete this and let's write another thing. Like I will write, and if I tap on the option share, you can see the background turn into white. And if I add one of these specific word by deleting this, and again I'm writing, and now I will add champion. After writing, I will share this, and you can see the color of my note turn into gold. So it was the way by which you can get gold notes on Instagram.